Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. So, thank you so much, sir, just to invite us and start a new initiation. Thank you, Uday, sir. Just like your mentors, you always there to support us and connect to the right. Thank you so much, sir. We are looking something too big coming up with voices. Yeah, definitely, sir. Would like to be. Sir, first of all, I want to interact with the students actually. So, okay. Definitely. Yes. My name is Shubham. I am the co-founder in IG Drone. So basically, my particular role in a company is to be taking care of all revenue part. So I am overall taking care of this revenue and even of the R&D. So before start into the presentations, I would like to be tell a brief story about what are the story behind to start a IG Drone. So before that, me basically completed my education, BTech from BSISOT. It is one of the Odisha's oldest engineering college, which is a global alumni base of 30,000. After that, I am completing my MBA from IIM Sambalpur under the supervision of Mahadev Jaiswal sir, director, who is always to be a mentor and always help me to be taking a career in my entrepreneurship. Yes, thank you, sir. Before starting up, एक छोटा सा स्टोरी है एक छोटे से गांव से जो ओडिशा के संबलपुर में आता है, जहाँ पे होप यू ऑल नोज दैट वेरी हीराकुड डैम, राइट. सो इट इज़ ऑफ द वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट एंड लॉन्गेस्ट डैम इन एशिया. सो ये स्टोरी वहीं से स्टार्ट हुई थी. द फर्स्ट डे इन माई कॉलेज इट वॉज लाइक कि अभी तो जो चाहते थे बीटेक पढ़ना, एडमिशन तो मिल गया, अभी फिर आगे क्या करना है सोचना है. तो फर्स्ट डे इन माई कॉलेज इट वॉज लाइक मेट माई VCs इज अ माजी सर. सो उनसे मैंने मिलने गया था कि सब थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सिलेक्टिंग मी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस. सो आफ्टर हैविंग अ 1 year, सो इट वॉज लाइक एवरी वन वॉज रश इन टू दिस द 4-year डिग्री की अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना है, देन विल गो फॉर द कॉर्पोरेट वन एंड देन हैव ए गुड करियर इन द जॉब प्रोफाइल. सो ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ माई यूनिवर्सिटीज, सो because I was a person into like always looking for the what is startup entrepreneurship, and Modi ji just came with a new ecosystem that अब इंडिया को बढ़ाना है इकोनॉमी के साथ और हमें स्टार्टअप को आगे लाना है. So I was being into like very enthusiastic about the space, aerospace industries. So we were just look into it कि इंडिया का space industry by the time of 2000, it is I'm talking about 2014. So sorry 2013. सो उस टाइम पे इंडिया का स्पेस इंडस्ट्री वॉज नॉट इंटू बीइंग इंटू लॉ, आई मीन दैट लेवल ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स पॉलिसी. इट वॉज नॉट लाइक गेटिंग सपोर्टेड फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट फ्रॉम द अर्लियर्स. सो द स्पेस इंडस्ट्री वॉज इट इज़ लाइक कि हाँ कुछ तो बन रहा है, कुछ तो चल रहा है, बट करना चाहिए, नॉट इंटू मच. So after that, as I found in internet that ISRO was looking for a solution that is for basically the satellite which helps to having the water volume analysis of any big dam. So what was found there? So I thought of that, कि something has to be there, we need to be start with it. So before, because as belongs to Odisha, so it was very difficult to reach out to the ISRO scientist and to have a brainstorming there. They sir, we have this idea and we can be part of your challenges. So what we would do actually, somehow we tried, I am tried a lot to being with my partner, being with that my CEO is not here, that Bodhi ji and Om ji, both are these my co-partners who were there in my university. So they were basically came into this idea. So what they are trying actually, so we tried to reach out to the ISRO scientists to give a solution on that. That we have a, sir, whatever the problem you are having, we have a solution of that. But the ISRO scientists, it was always like that. इंडिया में यही होता है कि अभी तुम पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो, ये सब चीज़ें इतना इजी से नहीं होता, इट्स टेक लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो देन वी थॉट ऑफ कि कहीं से कहीं ना तो बिना मेंटर्स के साथ हो नहीं सकता, बिकॉज हमने बस जो बेसिक्स पढ़े हुए थे स्कूल्स के टाइम पे, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड ऑल. सो वी थॉट ऑफ दैट कि अभी इसको किया कैसे जाता है. तो मी अलॉन्ग विद द 40 साइज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम ए BSISOT विल सर्च अबाउट 2000 साइंटिस्ट अक्रॉस वर्ल्ड बस यही मेंटरशिप लेने के लिए कि हम इस टेक्नोलॉजी को कैसे बनाएंगे, इसका R&D कैसे करवाएंगे, इसका डिज़ाइन कैसे लेके आएंगे, इसका सोल्यूशन कैसे लेके आएंगे. एंड यू नॉट बिलीव सर, आउट ऑफ 2000 द होल 2000 scientist was very much interested to support us just because कि हम युवा थे, and they were very much interested, they were very much excited to know that कि ओडिशा से एक छोटे से जगह से आने वाले 40 छात्रों में वो विजन है कि वो एक सोल्यूशन लेके आएंगे, एंड वी आर द पीपल वो कम इनटू दिस, हेल्प देम आउट. आउट ऑफ देम 2000 1500 has come out to help us and mentoring us, and finally we have built our Asia's first student satellite VSLV in Hirakud Dam just to measure the volumetric analysis of the Hirakud Dam. So the main story was started there sir, because हमने पूरा project submit किया. We went to धर्मेंद्र sir, told him about it कि सर हमने ये डिज़ाइन रेडी कर दिया है, हमें प्रधानमंत्री जी से मिलना है रिगार्डिंग दिस. उन्हें बताना है कि हमने एक कॉस्ट फिजिबल वे से जस्ट विद स्पेंडिंग ऑफ 5 लाख रुपीज़, जिसका प्रोजेक्ट साइज इसरो से एस्टिमेशन हुआ था एटलीस्ट टू बी स्पेंड 100 करोड़ टू डेवलप दिस. तो सर ने बताया कि तुम ऐसा क्या कर ली हो कि तुम्हें उनके पास जाना है, यू फर्स्ट पिच मी आउट. हमने उन्हें पिच किया, and sir was the first person who connected us to the PM Modi, and we got recognized from the Modi ji that we have inaugurated the first Asia student satellite. So after that the whole ISRO team was very surprised कि अब मोदी सर ने मन की बात में इनके बारे में बताया गया है, तो we have to be visit. कहीं इन्होंने एक वीडियो बना के तो बस सबमिट नहीं कर दिया, उसको बता रहे हैं कि चीज़ें कि इन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ काम किया हुआ है. The out of that 40 scientists from ISRO has visited our university just to check how we have done, where is our R&D lab, and how we have been able to achieve in a short period of time. When they came to see, the first thing was यही था कि हमने एक छोटा सा घर में अपना मिसाइल जहाँ बनाया था, we first took him to the lab कि सर ये हमारा लैब है. The whole scientist team was very surprised कि without any propulsion system, without any aerodynamics, without any good R&D team, how this thing has been happened. They took around more than 70 hours of interview. 40 स्टूडेंट को बिठा के ना खाना ना पीना रेगरसली इंटरव्यू करवाया कि कितना इनका टेक्नोलॉजी में डीप नॉलेज एनालिसिस है. आफ्टर हैविंग अ 16 hours of interview of each and every student, again I had to be seated for another 7 hours just to explain the whole process with the confidence of it. So after they got to know that, no, finally we have done it, so they have hand over the project to the ISRO, and currently the project has been run with the name of ISRO BSLV, and we got a first India's innovation and space lab in BSSOT. So this is how the youth and the startup innovation culture has changed and drive the ecosystem to boost the space economy. आज के डेट पे the space economy is very structured. The Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, is very thankful to them that he has invested a lot of money there. The next vision is to be improve and increase the technologies, R&D's infrastructures in-house in ISRO. So after that, the closest domain was drone. So after completing like the 4 years, the project was overall we are part of that 4 years. After completing of this 4 years, now it comes to the everyone runs for the placement, and I was run for an order from the Aditya Birla, Labanga. That is for the first drone volumetric analysis, and that has been recognized again from the Aditya Birla in the central team in Bombay. And the project has been again taken over, and again we got R&D funded of rupees 15 lakhs rupees from the Aditya Birla with a work order value of 20 lakh rupees. So now the time has come to be कि सब बोलते थे कि ओडिया बस R&D कर सकते हैं, धंधा नहीं बना सकते. टू बी वेरी टिपिकल वर्ड इन गुजरात सर. तो हमने सर प्रूव किया, हमें थोड़ा विश्वास हुआ खुद के ऊपर कि हम भी बिजनेस बना सकते हैं. लेट्स डू बिजनेस रादर देन रन फॉर एनी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब. तो वी मूव टू द गुजरात एट द टाइम सर. सो गुजरात गए तो इकोसिस्टम पे वी लर्न मोर अबाउट हाउ टू बिल्ड अ बिजनेस, हाउ टू बिल्ड स्टार्टअप, हाउ टू मेक ए टीम. So the most important thing was to make a team. So out of that 5 people, me along with my founder, CEO Bodhi sir, along with my founders Om Prakash Das, along with my colleagues Sambit, and along with my colleagues KG Zhao. So we founded a company in 2018 from Gujarat, and right away from today, we are the leading manufacturer in India, having a presence in global, having a presence in Dubai, and the next financially we are targeting to be covered to the South African and US countries. So we have an employee size of 300 employees in our company. So I would like to have some revolutions, how we have changed the mindset of this revolution, how the technology has helped to get a transformations from a rural sector to an urban sector. Sunil, please help me to change the slide.
I am Shreyas Rao, and I am on a journey across India to meet people who are doing some incredible things with 5G. I am flying this drone 1500 kilometers away from me, and it's all possible because of this guy.
Hi, my name is Bodhi, and I have created this 5G-enabled drone.
Bodhi belongs to a small village of Odisha where he saw challenges of farming firsthand.
A farmer in US yields more productivity than a farmer in India per hectare.
And the difference between them is adoption to technology. They developed a 5G drone and started introducing this modern technology to the farmers.
Mobile phone माध्यमरे को drone टिका में उड़ाई परिया. Ever since 5G launched in India, we have already upskilled 10,000 farmers. So now this drone is connected to the 5G network, and you can control this drone from anywhere.
I'm so privileged to be witnessing this.
Today farmers are using 5G drones to map their agricultural land, to spray fertilizers just with the comfort of sitting from their home.
Meeting Bodhi, I learned that on one hand, 5G can create virtual realities, but on other, it can also bring real changes with innovations like this. This is Shreyas with Bodhi in the fields of Odisha, ready for another flight. See you soon.
So it is first India's 5G drones, currently inaugurated by Honorable Railway Minister Vaishnav sir. So it is tied with Airtel. So we are mapping the whole country through our 5G enabled drones, and it is to be like in an operation mode, and we are being exporting to the Russian government currently. So it is a big revolution from because everyone knows that having a 5G network, but nobody knows how to use the 5G technology with this new cutting edge product. So drones is the first where the industries, telecom industries wanted to have a 5G enabled drone. So ये बस इतना है कि कोई भी drones पे हमने एक develop किया nano technology, that technology can be inserted with any drones, and वो पूरा 5G drones बन जाएगा. Nothing to be any new technology, the cheapest and the cost effective technologies. So this is our portfolio, working with 12,000 kilometer power lines, 11,000 kilometers roadways, 1,500 of railways we are working. Across India, we are having 7 offices, headquartered in Noida. So this is basically the industries what we are currently working in, and the power line, solar, bridge inspections, river mapping, disaster response, railway survey, smart inspection, land survey, and mine surveys. So all our industry, we are having more than 450 industrial clients across India, having a ARC of at least worth of more than 1 share from each company. So let me have a brief overview about the product range. This is basically our enterprise drone product. The first one is the IG Skyhug, that is basically used in the defense industries. That is basically used for the long range, and it is used now in all borders area. You can take about the Firozpur Kent, you take about the Leh Ladakh. So all borders area, it is located there. So it is surveillance. The surveillance capacity of the particular drones is 3 hours. So it is like 10 drones parallelly has been deployed, and all 10s are connected in a one platform. And the whole borders area has been covered under him, and the one command center is in Delhi. They will get an idea about it. They will get a direct feed from this command center, and they have look into what are the situations going on. So all our troops are currently doing it. Please go. Yes, so let's come into the center of excellence actually. So what basically we are doing actually, we are setting up the center of excellence in universities. So our plan is to be like trained at least 10 million youth for this year, and by 2030 it is at least to be 50 million to be by 2030. Just because the drone industry is growing very rapidly with a CAGR of more than 12 to 13% in a year. So the major focus is to be skilling the students, skilling all drone pilots, giving them certifications, having the infrastructures of COE, and also train them, also doing some FDP program as well, faculty development program as well, and also helping the industry to grow from a old traditional structure to a new technology development. So this is our recent achievement. Just previous year only, my founders have interacted with Honorable Prime Minister Modi sir. He has inaugurated our India's first drone simulator that is made in India. जो आत्मनिर्भर भारत के ऊपर हम अपना पूरा जो in-house systems है उसको develop कर रहे हैं. So again, it is like the 5G one, as I told you earlier as well. So it has been already inaugurated, and we have also present every year in GITEX Global. So GITEX Global is a world trade centers where around more than 100 countries, the companies are there. More than 1,000 companies has been participate there. And out of India only the 2 companies selected. Along with us, one of the AI technology companies there. So it is a big achievement for IG drones at the time. So again, this year we are going to be exhibit, and we have already selected for our 5G capable drone. This is just industrial base, just to after trained, after helping them on skilling them, then we'll definitely helping them on particular industrial companies where they can able to get their job, they can experience there, they can fly it, and they're definitely good infrastructure, good working environment to take their career. Please. So this is our partners. So we are very closely working with NHDCs and FICCI. We are partner of NHDCs. Currently we have launched a very short-term courses, that is 10 hours of course in a regional language. That is going to be first time in India, what NHDC has to be pitched about, because nobody has launched the regional language courses. So it is all in Odia, but we are in a near state, we have been keeping on in all languages. All, whatever the languages available, all languages it is coming on the short-term 10 hours courses. So the whole systems, like the whole rural people, the students who would like to know about the drones, they can have a get through the videos, and they can get to know that what are the basic things and fundamentals required to know to start a career in drones. So this is some of the prominent projects what we have done across India. So we have already recognized multiple times from Honorable Prime Minister regarding our works, because we are always doing a tremendous job, tremendous work. It is one of the India's longest expressway. It's connecting the China border, the Purvanchal Express Highway. So the river length is some around 13.5 kilometers. So it is the longest one actually. So again, why it is required of 5G enabled drones? What are the major differences between the 4G and 5G? If we talk about the 5G connectivity, it's required a lot, because when it comes to the data quality and when it comes to the data speed of that, it's required the technology has to be very robust within the generations. Because sometimes what happens actually, the 4G technology is not able to give a real fit to the industries and the industrial bodies what required it. So it's really required of 5G to be getting into place and make the countries into the new R&D systems which required to help a very close way of technology to implement in India to make it forward in the technology space. So this is based of this, what kind of service, what are the spectrums and all required, what is the data rate required, all this brief of involvement into the stadium part is there. So it is, we have to be the data traffic part, how to be handle the UTM. So it is basically the space people can definitely understand about it, how the spectrum has worked very closely. So we'll take to a, how this drone technology has changed revolutionized the rural part of the country. So basically what happened actually, as we have a portfolio and transmission line, what happened actually earlier in the transmission project, if a particular tower is there, so someone has to be climb the towers and do the analysis of it. That is a risk part of a life. Because once the high voltage has been infected, the person is landed in the ground. So what we have done actually, we have introduced the technology just to do the survey and the analysis of the particular towers within 30 minutes with risk-free. So that is how the industry has changed actually through the drones technology. Because the industry earlier was not into using technology, not into that effective what the industry required it, and it took a lot of time to cover it. So how the major thing is there actually, how these new technologies and the cutting in technology is always helping the industry. Because earlier also technology was there, but now why it is always required, why people are talking about more. about technology. Just because the thing is there actually, earlier the system which has been developed, it was not an ecosystem to be part of it. But nowadays the ecosystem has been supported by a lot of mentors and government and ministries. So that's why it is like it is a time to be help the industries with the minimizations of their load, minimization of their problems, and get it overcome with the new end way which is required to develop in a particular and recent format. So this is some of the project we have working more than 100 ITIs across India. So this is some students which has been developed the drones, robotics. So basically they are building drones. So we have support him on how to get educated in a drones, how to do R&D. So all support has been done by IG Drones only. So we are having our own drone simulator that has been also developed by our ITI students only. It is basically from Bhubaneswar only, and one ITI is also there in Gujarat. It is from Kutch only. So the major part is how we have changed from dust and dirt to drone and dignity. So it is like people always, what we called actually they are backbone of our country. So people always think that these people are not able to do anything. And there was a hype in the industry that the drone space, aerospace, always, if you talk about the mindset of our country, that all people think that it is only for the high class people, not for any rural class of people. So the people who were about to sell the courses in 1 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever the amount they can charge, they can thought of that it can only target to the high-end class people, and we will sell it on that. So we thought of to become with a free courses for them, just to revolutionize the whole rural part. जिनका तनख्वाह 200 रुपया भी नहीं था, आज के डेट पे they are getting job in a corporate and getting salaried of 30,000 minimum. So how we have revolutionized the students of the rural part of this country. So this is how IG Drones helping the whole countries on developing the technologies, having center of excellence, scaling them, and all kind of support, education required, we were providing it. So thank you so much for having me opportunity to showcase what we are doing actually. Thank you so much, sir.